Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language of a Volvo XC40. It's a 2018 model. I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. I had to search for myself, so I want to share this so you don't have to search. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel. We have more than 300 other videos on how to reset services or indicators like tire pressure. Change languages on different model cars, any tips and tricks. You can watch them all on our channel. Use the comment area if you have any questions or any comments. Let's start with this one. First of all, turn or press the ignition on. This is a turn button, and the trick is to press and hold it for about 10 seconds to turn the ignition on. Yes, when the ignition is on, all the light on the instrument cluster goes on. Then we go to the multimedia area over here, and I had to search it for myself. You can swipe to the left or to the right, and there is a hidden area, and that's this area over here, these two stripes. You can pull down a menu downwards, and the settings area is over here. Once you are here, go to the system area, and as you can see, system languages and units. You can also change the metric, imperial and the US. That means if we do the US, our odometer changes to US miles. Go to metric if you live in Europe. To change the language, we can use the system language and change to the desired language, let's say Dutch for example. Press to confirm, and once you have done that, the desired language has changed. Let's go back, drop down menu, press this one, system, and change system language to English again. Confirm, and the language has changed to the English language. That was it. I had to search for myself, so I don't I hope you didn't search too much. Thanks for watching for this video, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.